Today on Stu's Cookery class, I'm going to be showing you how to make a basic chicken stock. First thing I'm going to do is put my chicken bones on a tray. You can either use the bones from a carcass or ask your butcher for 1 kilo of chicken bones. I'm then just going to slice 1 carrot, and I've not bothered to peel it. If it's clean, you don't need to. I'm then going to chop 1 onion, and I'm only going to peel off the outer layer of skin, as this is all flavour and colour for the stock. We're then going to place all of that on the tray and drizzle it all with a little oil. This will help it to colour up and really bring out the flavours of the chicken and the veg. We're then going to place that in the oven on 180 for about 20 minutes, and we're going to then check it every 10 minutes after that. After 20 minutes it should look something like this, and you might want to move things around on the tray a bit just to make sure that everything's colouring up nice and evenly. Once it's done, it should be really dark. It doesn't matter if you have a few black spots in there. We're just going to put it in a pan, fill it up with water, and add some herbs and some garlic. It's about 2 tablespoons of mixed herbs in there, a couple of 100 ml of wine, and a teaspoon of garlic paste. I'm also using some fresh herbs because I've got them in the garden and they really help to add a bit of extra flavour. Once it's been simmering away gently with the lid on for about 6 hours at a minimum, you're ready to give it a little taste. Now it won't taste very strong at this point, but you will get more flavour out of it. So what we're going to do now is strain it off, removing all the bits, and then place it back in the pan, and then we're going to reduce that down by about half. So I had about 4 pints of stock to start with, so I'm going to reduce this down to around 2 pints. What you can do as well is either make a really big batch of this and freeze it down, so you don't have to do this all the time, so you can keep this sort of ready in the freezer, and it can be used from frozen as well. And that's it. Really nice, simple and easy. You can use that in stews, broths and soups. If you like this video, why not check out one of my other videos like my midweek meals playlist, or maybe something sweeter like how to make the classic chocolate fondant.